Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make revolution slider autoplay. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my revolution slider section and here is my slider. So I'm going to edit this slider. To make the slider autoplay, click on settings and then click on general, and inside of this slideshow section here you will find this option auto rotate slideshow. So you have to turn this on, then click on save. So after that your slider will start to autoplay. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.